Hi, welcome to Manage Print Solutions. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the printer driver error code. While installing the printer driver from the shared server, you might end up with an error code after updating the Windows like 0x000006e4, 07c, 709, 11b, and so on. To resolve this issue, you need to configure the group policy in your environment. To configure that, click on Start, Search, Group Policy Management. Right click on your domain, create a GPO in this domain and link it here. Enter the name of the policy. Here I am taking shared print driver and click on OK. Once the policy is created, right click on Edit. So navigate to Computer Configuration, Policies, Administrative Template, Printers, and search for the Only Use Package Print and Point. Double click on this, click on Enable, Apply, OK. Next, click on Point and Print Restriction in this Enable, and here you are going to elevate the security prompt, that is, do not show warning or elevation prompt, and do not show the warning and elevation prompt for new update of the driver. So navigate to User Configuration, Policies, Administrative Template, Control Panel, Printers. So here also you need to enable Only Use Package Point and Print. Enable, Apply, and OK. So you need to enable this in both user configuration and computer configuration as well. Apart from this, there is one more additional settings you need to consider, which is called Allow non-admin users to install the printer driver using group policy. So to configure this, you need to navigate to Policies, Windows Settings, Security Settings, Local Policies, and Security Options. In this, you need to select Device, Prevent user from installing the printer driver. So enable this. So by default it should be disabled. So this settings will allow install the printer driver from the user. So there is no need of any elevation to be inputted while installing the printer driver from the shared server. Using group policy, you can even push the printer drivers to all the client PCs. So you need to click on Printers, right click, New, Shared Printers, and you can paste the path of the shared printer driver. Click on Common and enable Apply once and do not reapply. So in this, even you can item level the targeting. So enable item level target, click on Target, and here I have chosen by the group. So I have selected the group called IT. So only whoever the IT users are there, so this IT printer driver will be installed to them. So even you can target either by the users or by the security groups, and there are different methods of item level targeting. This is how we configure the group policy to install the printer driver after the Windows update. Installing the printer driver through the group policy is an optional. Either you can skip these steps and only enable the point and print behaviors. So this is how you can avoid errors or elevation prompts while installing the printer driver. Thank you for watching Manage Print Solution.